Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to back up browser tabs. So if you have several important tabs open, you can back them up so you can restore them later, even if your browser crashes or you accidentally close them. So let's say, for example, I've closed this tab or browser. Now what we need to do is to reopen the browser. So I was using Google Chrome, so let's open Google Chrome. Next thing you can do is to select the profile you are using. So once you open Google Chrome, so what you need to do to restore those tabs is to press Control plus Shift plus T. So repeat that shortcut, Control plus Shift plus T to restore those tabs or windows. Another thing you can do is to click the three dots in the top right corner, then go to History, and go to recent tabs. Hover over to tabs right here and just click restore window, and that window will be restored. Now you can also enable the browser's option to reopen your tabs automatically. So click the three dots in the top right corner, then scroll down to settings.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
Then on the left side, go to on startup, then select continue where you left off. So this makes the browser reopen your previous tabs when you launch it again. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.